Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using the adult Microsoft account that manages family controls. Sign in now and make sure Xbox Live is connected. Once done, update the console if prompted, because some controls require the latest firmware. Then navigate quickly. Press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System, open Settings, and select Account. From there, choose Family Settings. This is where restrictions live and where you can change who can see content and who can make purchases. Proceed to the specific child profile next. Now choose the target child or managed account and open content restrictions or privacy and online safety. You can change age-based content ratings, unblock mature titles, and allow apps and multiplayer. Explain why you're changing each setting. Make sure to enter your account PIN or password when prompted, because that secures the change. Once you save, the console will sync the new policy with Xbox Live, so give it a minute. If you use a family group on Microsoft, verify changes there as well to avoid conflicts. Finish by restarting your Xbox Series X to force the new restriction settings to apply immediately. Test access to a previously blocked game or app. If the restriction still appears, make sure the child account isn't in a different Microsoft family group or bound to a console-level setting. Once confirmed, resave the changes online at account. Microsoft. com/family and then restart again. If problems persist, reset the console network connection. And remember to keep two-step verification on the adult account to prevent unauthorized reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.